How to create a Google account. We hope you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with friends and family members. Your support means the world to us. In this video, we're creating an account on Google with an email address. Go to Google and click on this text. It's possible to change the language settings. Click on Create Account for personal use. Fill out your first and last name. Click Next. Please fill out your year of birth, month and day, and indicate your gender, or select Rather Not Say. Click Next. Choose your email. Create a password. Click Show Password to make sure you're writing what you think you are writing. Click Show Password again to hide it. Add recovery email, the address where Google can contact you if there's unusual activity in your account or if you get locked out. Add phone number. Google will use this number only for account security. Your number won't be visible to others. You can choose later whether to use it for other purposes. Please enter your phone number without any leading zeros, as the country code has already been selected. Review your account information. Choose your settings. You are now logged into your account. This is your inbox. Click here to write a new email. Write the person's email address. Add a subject to your email. Write a message in the email. Click Send. Remember to sign out. Signing out is important to protect your account and personal information, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. It helps keep your data safe from others. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.